Welcome. I'm Dr. Monisha Bhanote, your longevity lifestyle physician. As you travel, your body moves through turbulence, not just in the air, but within your cells. Airports, crowded spaces, and disrupted sleep often leave the nervous system on high alert. This meditation is your reset ritual. In the next 10 minutes, we'll calm your stress, restore balance, and remind your body that it is safe wherever you are. So settle in, place your feet on the ground, let your eyes close or your gaze soften. This is your time. Travel can be exciting, but behind the excitement, your body often carries hidden stress. Think of the last time you rushed through security, sat cramped in a seat, or felt jet lag blur your thoughts. Stress hormones rise, digestion slows, sleep fragments. Your inner rhythm falls out of sync. And yet, you have an anchor, your breath, your awareness. Each moment you choose to pause, your nervous system listens. Your cells remember balance. As you breathe in now, notice this truth. Each inhale draws oxygen into your lungs, sending fresh energy into every cell. Each exhale signals safety, telling your body it's time to let go. Science shows us that when the vagus nerve is activated, your body shifts from stress into restoration. Your heart rate slows. Your gut begins to reset. Your immune system strengthens. So right here, with this breath, you are recalibrating. You are reminding your body, I am safe. I can travel well. Let's begin with the breath. Take a slow inhale through your nose. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold gently. 1, 2. Exhale slowly through the mouth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. Let's do that again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And once more. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 1, 2. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now continue on your own, gently breathing in, pausing, and breathing out slowly. With each inhale, imagine you're drawing calm into your body. With each exhale, imagine tension and fatigue leaving your body. Inhale, filling your chest, your belly, your cells with clarity. Exhale, releasing stress, letting the body soften. Inhale, calm. Exhale, release. Stay with this rhythm. Inhale, pause, exhale. Like the tide of the ocean, steady and unforced. Now bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Feel the gentle rise and fall. Picture a calm wave moving through you. With each breath, silently whisper to yourself, I am safe. I am steady. I am resilient. Notice your body responding. Your shoulders soften. Your jaw unclenches. Your belly loosens. Your cells are listening. Your body is remembering balance. Imagine carrying this steadiness into the rest of your journey. The crowded terminal feels less overwhelming. The cramped seats feel less confining. The unknowns of travel feel more like adventure than stress. What if every trip became not just movement through space, but an opportunity to restore yourself? This is the essence of self-care: to pause, to breathe, to recalibrate, so your body travels not in stress, but in resilience. Take one final slow inhale. And a long exhale. Feel yourself lighter, clearer, more grounded. Thank you for joining me in this self-care travel meditation. If this helped you feel calmer and more resilient on your journey, I invite you to subscribe for more meditations and wellness practices designed to help you feel amazing, age smarter, and travel well. Until next time, may you travel with ease, both in your body and in your mind.